Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to verify Ethereum Smart Contract on Ringy test network and main network. First of all, we need a smart contract code. Then we will copy that code and paste into Ethereum IDE, and after that deploy the contract. And we do rest things. Let's do that. First of all, you have to visit open in the Chrome browser remix IDE, and after that we will get smart contracts. You can visit any GitHub repository, search Hashlips art engine, art NFT contracts. I have copied. I am going to copy that contract from the GitHub. I don't need any contact because we will just test this smart contract here and verify. It's for learning purpose. Okay, and here in the contact folder create a new file called nft.sol and paste the code that we have copied, and after that we will have need to compile this code, and after that we have to check that either we are in MetaMask in the Rinky test network. So we are in Rinky test network. We are just testing in the test network first. After that I will tell you how to verify on the main network. So we have to deploy this contract. First of all, we have to set the environment to injected web3 and connect the MetaMask. And now MetaMask should be connected because it's showing its network 4 is Rinky, and here it's connected. And here in the final, you select the contact name, write the rough name. I am writing any rough name, don't need to write any sort of things, and copy the URL you want to put, but I am giving any random URL that's not needed now. Click on the transact. When we are going to transact, and it finally MetaMask pop-ups, and we will going to confirm this transaction. After the transaction gone successfully, we will wait for that. I will skip this part. Okay, and after that confirmation arrive, uh, we will get this amazing interaction icons. We will do not any do thing. We will wait, and we will visit the contract and view on the block explorer. After that we have to do a certain things. We will get this plugin, and we will search flattener and activate the plugin. The flattener will flat the code, and we will after that flattened code will be copied and pasted into Rinky, and it will be easily uh, verified in the Ethereum Rinky. Okay, first of all we have to click on the flatten contact, and after that save flat.sol, and it's called accepting, and we have saved now flatten.sol. Okay, copy now, control A, control C, copy that code and go to the contract address. We will see there will be option of verify smart contract, and we will now we will verify and publish the smart contract. First of all, we have to select the solidity. It's a single file, and we have to select the compiler version. First of all, we have to check that compiler version. We are going to check the compiler version, which is 8.14, and 8.14 should be here, and select no license MIT, because MIT license at the top of we will get MIT license. Okay, you can check this license in the nft.sol. This is MIT license, so we will it should be MIT, and click on the continue button, and we'll copy and paste the flattened code here. We will paste. We had pasted the flattened code. Now we are going to leave the following parameter as it is. We are click I am not remote and verify and publish. Okay, so it will take few seconds. It will be verified as app, and we will move to the main network. How to verify on the main network? It's you see there is a contract and successfully generated bytecode and ABI, means it's verified. Now we will back to the contract and we will check it's verified or not. We will check its green check mark around the code. Where is a check mark around the contract button? We will see this. After reloading, we will see this. This is now verified. We will see the code. This is the method of verifying smart contract on the AreBee testnet. So we are going to now moving to the main network. So first of all, we have to visit the remix site. If you are in main network, the only thing you have to do is go to the flatten.sol, download a plugin called verify. It's you have to activate like this. I have already activated. When you click on it will be pop-ups in the left side, and when you select the contract, you have to select the contract hex code. It will be automatically generated, and you have to paste the contract address, which we will get from the etherscan.io. Okay, and then you have to verify this contact. But first of all, let's remove this, and we see there is a API key. Where we get from this API key? We will get API key from etherscan.io. We have to visit this etherscan.io, and after that, visiting etherscan.io, you have to first of all sign in here and your account. I have created account, and using that you can go to the my profile, and after that you will get others section. You will get API keys, and you will click on edit or copy this API key. If you are unfamiliar, you can edit, delete and create new one. Okay, and I am using same API key, and after that I copied API key and paste here and save API key and select the contract. So this is the very first and very easy method for verifying the contract. The second method I told you as we did in AreBee test network. I hope you guys understand my video, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel, and we will meet in new video. Thank you for watching.